Hi everyone! This week we will be doing something a little bit different. I was sent an electric glass kettle by Cosori to test and review. I'm first going to talk to you a little bit about the kettle and my experience with it, and afterwards we will be making 2 easy breakfast recipes using the kettle. Since the kettle arrived, I have been using it quite frequently. Right now that it's winter, I love making teas, oatmeal, or soups, and this electric kettle has really helped. First of all, it's very easy to set up and use. To open the lid, you press the release button above the handle, then you can fill it with water to the desired level. The minimum amount of water needed is half a liter or a little more than 2 cups. The maximum amount of water that is able to boil is 1.7 liters. Next, you close the lid and place the kettle onto its power base. Connect the plug, then simply press the on-off switch below the handle. A blue light will turn on as it is warming up the water. My favorite thing about this electric kettle is how fast it actually boils the water. Usually I fill it up to the minimum mark to use for tea or coffee, and when I timed it, it took about 2.5 minutes to boil. If you fill it up to the max line, it would take about 8 minutes to boil. Another great feature is that the kettle will automatically turn off once the water is boiling, making it safe to use. So far I haven't had any problems with it overheating or being too hot to touch. Now that we've boiled our water, we will be making 2 easy breakfast treats. First, we will make oatmeal with an apple crumble topping. In a bowl, combine half a cup of Old Fashioned Oats, a tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Carefully pour about a cup of boiling water into the bowl. Cover and set aside until the oatmeal fully absorbs the water. Meanwhile, in a pan over low-medium heat, add a chopped small apple and a little bit of water, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Sprinkle with cinnamon and add a dash of nutmeg. To sweeten the topping, add about a tablespoon of honey. You can also use other sweeteners like maple syrup. Stir to combine and then cook until the apple has softened. Next, add chopped walnuts and raisins. You can use other nuts or dried fruit as well, and as many or as little as you want. Cook for another minute, then remove from heat. Finally, top your oatmeal with a teaspoon of chia seeds, followed by the apple crumble topping. Our second recipe is a very delicious tea that is a great way to start your mornings, where it will give you that extra boost you need. In a cup, combine dry rose petals or buds. I used about a spoonful. Then add a few mint leaves. Finally, carefully add boiling water and steep a couple of minutes. Or if you want a stronger tea, wait until the color starts to fade from the roses. You can also add a sweetener like honey if you prefer. I honestly have really enjoyed using the kettle, and so far it has been working great. I haven't had any problems with it, so I don't really have anything negative to say. I would really recommend the electric kettle if you are someone like me who enjoys having a cup of tea or making oatmeal, puddings, or even ramen. If you would like to check out the Cosori Electric Glass Kettle for yourself, I will be leaving the links to the product and the website in the description box.